Tunnel Boring Australia provides pipe jacking services in diameters from 1200 millimetres to 3000 millimetres and lengths of 250 metres or more. Albergeldi Infrastructure contracted Tunnel Boring Australia to install 120 metres of 2400mm inside diameter reinforced concrete pipe for Energy Australia under the Southern Railway corridor at Carlton in Sydney. The 2,668mm outside diameter rotating head shield and pipe jacking rig for the project was manufactured by Tunnel Boring Australia at its factory in Oxley, Queensland. Pipe jacking through the Sydney sandstone took 35 days to complete with a deviation at the receiving pit of less than 10 millimetres from the original tunnel design. This accuracy is achieved by a steerable boring head being guided via laser targeting from the jacking pit. Almost constant boring is maintained by the use of 2 skips, allowing minimum downtime as tailings are removed from the jacking pit. Each section of pipe is 2.4 metres in length and, as the head shield progresses forward sufficiently, the jacking rig is withdrawn. And a new pipe section is lowered into place. The tunnel provides connection between the existing Carlton substation and the new Cogra substation. All tailings were removed from the site during the tunnelling process. The actual impact of the construction to local residents was minimised by the small but efficient size of the construction site. At Somersby on the New South Wales Central Coast, Tunnel Boring Australia replaced the existing corroded corrugated metal stormwater culverts under the F3 expressway for the New South Wales Roads and Traffic Authority. Rather than directly replacing the existing culvert, a totally new stormwater pipe jack tunnel is being created using Class 6 1500mm inside diameter J-series Hume pipes. In an unconventional approach, Tunnel Boring Australia undertook this project from the higher end of the tunnel with a grade of 6%. Using an articulated digger arm, the 86-metre tunnel was dug through the mostly clay ground material in only 20 days. Tunnel Boring Australia is also working with the Queensland Department of Main Roads, replacing culverts beneath the Gateway Arterial and Bracken Ridge Road in Brisbane. This project involves replacing corroded helical steel pipes with 2100mm inside diameter and 1950mm inside diameter reinforced concrete jacking pipes to a length of 190 metres. This high-priority work required the design and manufacture of a custom-built steel pipe cutting tractor capable of entering the damaged pipelines and cutting segments not longer than 200mm. The old steel pipe segments and surrounding ground material are then removed by an articulated digger arm and the new reinforced concrete pipe segments jacked in to replace them. your construction project requires pipe jacking or horizontal boring, then Tunnel Boring Australia is the logical choice.